According to Ayurveda, drinking copper enriched water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach helps balance all three doshas Kapha, Vata, and Pitta. It was found that our ancestors used to store water in copper containers because of health related benefits, and it is also very safe for drinking as copper is the only metal with antibacterial property. Unlike some nutritional elements, the body cannot synthesize copper, so you need to get it from dietary sources. By drinking 2 to 3 glasses of water that has been stored in a copper vessel is another easy way to supply your body with enough copper. Copper provides so many health benefits, but let me talk about a few of them. Copper has properties that help kill harmful bacteria and reduce inflammation within the stomach, making it a great remedy for ulcer, indigestion, and infection. Copper aids in the production of new cells by which our skin looks smooth and healthy. Copper helps minimize your risk of developing heart related disease and also regulates blood pressure. Copper aids in weight loss by breaking down fat and eliminating it more effectively. It's packed with strong antioxidants and self-forming properties. Copper fights off free radicals, one of the main reasons for fine lines on your face. After knowing the benefits of it, you may buy a new set of glasses and bottle. But after a few uses, they will turn like this. It's not easy to clean them. Don't worry, I have a very easy tip to clean them. Take a bowl, add few tablespoons of rice flour, and to that add some salt and squeeze juice of a lemon. All the ingredients are easily available at home and they are chemical free and easy on your hands, and they are super easy in cleaning. Now take a scrub and scrub it with this paste. Very easily it will be cleaned. It's super easy to clean with this paste. This tip is shared by one of my very close friend Tara. Thanks Tara for sharing this tip. Now clean it with some water. You can easily clean with this tip. It's so easy, effortless, and anyone can do it. Now see the difference. It's quite easy. Now enjoy water in copper glasses. Thanks for watching Meni Diaries. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.